So in this video I'm having a look at the Garage Therapy Zero Decon Shampoo as a wheel cleaner. So I've already pre-soaked the wheel, and the mixture I'm using just now in the IK Foam Pro 2, which is actually a great foam pump sprayer, is 10ml of the Decon shampoo to 1 litre of water. So that it's producing a really thick, clingy foam. It's half and half between the foamer and also the shampoo that's creating this effect. I'm really happy with it. It does cling really well to it, which is good because you can already see down at the bottom of the wheel where the valve stem is for the tyre pressures that it's starting to pull off the dirt quite nicely, which is always a bonus. Really, it's the thing that I was very curious to see how well this worked as a wheel shampoo. The wheels have already been coated with Colonite 476 S wax as a way to protect them, but the wax was starting to get a wee bit rubbish. It wasn't really sheeting the water off anymore, and I noticed that the dirt was building up on it quite rapidly. So I wanted to use this as a one to see how well it cleaned the wheel, and two to see how well it actually stripped the remnants of the wax from the surface of the alloy. As you can see from the video, again it's pulling off a lot of grime from the tyre and also the face of the wheel. Also in the bucket there, it's just that's actually 5ml of the shampoo and 10 litres of water, so again it's foamed up really nicely actually. I'm really impressed with how well this does foam up. One of the things I think is important to add in as well, whilst I'm wearing gloves there, I did get some of it on my skin as well, and considering this is strong enough to strip wax, I never actually found it to burn the skin, which is always a good thing, but that's something that Joe at Forensic Details had actually said as well that he was really impressed about with it. But yeah, it's really a fantastic wheel cleaner. I'll just speed up this footage because let's face it, no one really wants to see me do all of that. And then we'll just skip to the final part of the video, see how good it looks. So a quick rinse off, and as you can see, the wheel looks fantastic. There's a couple of wee parts that I need to work on, but I'm really happy with it. It's a fantastic wheel cleaner, stripped the last of the wax I wanted, and it's done an effective, excellent job. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next one.